Hi everyone, I'm going to show the Spurpunk game, the analyze graph. Usually we will choose the weekly data to generate this graph. So at first, the first graph is the DAU is the daily active users, and there is the new users in each day. And this is the monthly active users, so it's increasing. And we also choose to the 7 days user active retention. So in this graph, we can see in the 7 days how many users retention in the game. So usually we will make some changes or some adjustment. After we apply them, we can compare the generated graph with the before graph to know in each day the retention will be changed, so we can know the changes can be useful or not useful. And in this graph is the user play days, for example, like in 5 days. So that means how many users will play for 5 days. And in this graph is how many player will quit in each level. So we can combine this graph with this graph is the stars one per pass. We can analyze these two graphs. We can know like in this graph, that means how the average stars won in each level in the weekly of our users data. So we can know maybe some levels we can only won the 1 star or 2 star. That means this level may be difficult, so the player might quit the game. That means they will never come back to log in this game. So we can know maybe you need to adjust this level's difficulty. And okay, and in this graph, that means the weekly data, the total time all users will to choose to start or complete in each level. For example, in the level 34, the level start and the level complete, the ratio is very high. That means this level is very challenging and it's hard to pass. And that's a card upgrade. That means one player has enough resources like coins and gems. So this is the first time the level choose to upgrade, and this is the second time the player choose to upgrade. We can compare the two graphs to know in the second time the user might choose to upgrade some new card or to upgrade some old card. We can know which card is the popular or least popular, and there are also some cards which never upgraded. So this the spell purchase. That means the total number of the player purchase in the weekly data. So we can also know which spell is popular or less popular. That's similar in the tower usage and the card usage per level. That means which card or which tower will be used in the per level. We can know in each level which card or which level is used the most and used the least. And we can analyze this graph to know if the tower usage or the card usage is evenly distributed in each level. That means we don't want to in each level the player always use the same card or use the same tower. So, and the last graph is a device and the country distributed graph. So that's all. Okay.